So in my previous video, I talked about all of the Galaxy A55's features, but I didn't mention anything about cameras, CPU or GPU. So this video is about that specifically. A lot of info about the Galaxy A55 has already made its way online over the past couple of weeks. Throughout live images and benchmarks leaks, we're able to confirm how much of a power the Galaxy A55 will hold. The Galaxy A55 will be powered by the Exynos 1480, making it Samsung's first mid-range chip with GPU based on AMD's RDNA graphics architecture. There's hope that the Exynos 1480 will perform better than the Exynos 2200, Samsung's first flagship chip with an AMD GPU. The Galaxy A55 will also include the new Eclipse 530 GPU. As for the cameras, the smartphone will have 50 megapixel primary camera with OIS and 5 megapixel micro camera, in addition to a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera sensor and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The Galaxy A55 is expected to ship with Android 14 and One UI 6.1, but it's unclear whether the mid-ranger will have any of the Galaxy S24's AI capabilities. As for the release date, the Galaxy A54 was introduced in March of the last year. If Samsung sticks to its usual schedule, we can expect the official release of the Galaxy A55 in less than 2 months. And if you want to know the latest leaks about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 too, watch this video afterwards. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.